Hi and welcome to Troubleshoot This. My name is Chris. We are working outside today, so excuse the noises that will be coming from the ambient environment. But in this short episode, I will show you how to reseat your power cable connections from your power supply to your motherboard. Let's get started. Okay, so starting off with the reseat process, we are going to do the 24-pin main power first. And these connections are universal on all power supplies. So whether you have an AMD or an Intel board, it will all be the same. ATX, full ATX, ITX boards, most power supplies have the same format when it comes to the main 24-pin power supply. So the easiest way I can do, well, I usually do my reseating for these connections, or when I remove it, is to use my pointer finger, put pressure on this side where the little latch is, and then press with my thumb from the other side, and then just slowly rock it back and forth, and then pull it out. So there you go. There's the latch I was talking about, and that's it. So to seat it back in, just make sure you match all the connections here, like so, and then just press it firmly until you hear that latch click in. Put even pressure on both sides, and that is it. Let's now move on to the 8-pin for the processor power. Alright, moving on to the next one. This is going to be the 8-pin power for the processor, and it's simple. It's just like the 24-pin. There's going to be a latch up top over here, and then you're just going to have to squeeze it and pull it out like so. There we go. We have it disconnected, and just line up the pins again. Oh, sorry about that. Just line up the pins and push it until it clicks in. There you go. Felt the latch grab on right there. Make sure everything is seated properly, and you are done with that one. Okay, moving on to the last part, which would be the power connector for the graphics card, and we're going to go into that right now. Alright, finally we are on the graphics card power connections. Like I said, depending on what graphics card is in your system, you're going to have one 8-pin connector, or you're going to have one 8-pin, one 6-pin, or two 8-pin connectors, and there will be cables like this connected to it from the power supply to give it power. Same process as the other two. We're just going to pinch on it to dislodge the clip that latches into place, wiggle it out, and get it out like so, and then just line it up and reseat the whole power connection. You're gonna have to do this on both power connections that you have, and once it clicks into place, you should be good to go. You have reseated all your power connections. If you are doing this as a troubleshooting step, make sure everything is connected firmly, properly, and then try powering up your system, see if it solves your issue. If not, depending on what you're troubleshooting, proceed to the next step on the troubleshooting flowchart. So, or any instructions from our agents that are being given to you. Just make sure that you do this properly, so there's not any steps missed, and we can make sure that all your power connections are firmly in place. That way we can isolate if it's a power issue coming from the power supply or the connectors or the motherboard. Thanks so much for watching, and if this video helped you out, please hit that like button, and if not, then leave a comment down below so we can troubleshoot your issues further. And lastly, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that bell icon as well, so you can be notified of the new helpful troubleshooting videos once they are uploaded. We'll see you on the next one.